Hey, how's it going? My name is John Dorsey of WorkWithJohnD.net, and you ran across this video because you're searching for how to get more customers and reps into your Monet business opportunity. Uh, so that's what I'm gonna do in this video. I'm gonna show you how to do it using Twitter because Twitter is very versatile and it's easy. It's easier to connect with the people on there. So without any further ado, let's get started. John Dorsey, work with JohnD.net. I want you tired of being overwhelmed. You join Monet and you really like the products. You really think it's a great opportunity, but you're having a hard time connecting or finding people to share the opportunity with or share the products with. And that's very important that you understand that in the beginning or when you're first approaching someone that you are focusing on the products first, because that's how, because most of the times, more than likely, more people will convert to a rep after they use the product. You know, trying to get somebody on board to purely be a rep is more difficult than just having somebody take a test drive using the product. Because I'm pretty sure that in the past you've gone to see a good movie, you've gone to the store and bought a product that you really enjoyed, or you bought a car you really enjoyed. Whatever it is, you purchased something in the past that you really liked, and you shared that with your friends and family or associates, but you didn't get a commission from that, right? So that's the advantage of network marketing and MLM, is that we can buy product or use product and then share that product in our experience with other people, with recommending them to try the product, and then in a certain percentage of those people will decide to also share the product and earn a commission. I want to put a disclaimer here first, though. I'm a network marketing, affiliate marketing trainer, I train people to, or show people how to get leads, how to get more leads for the opportunity, and I'm not affiliated with Monet Global specifically, but I do show people how to get more leads, more leads and more signups for whatever opportunity they're in. So just want to put that out there, that I'm not a member of or affiliated with Monet. I'm just showing you as a rep, or as a rep, how to get more customers, and then in the long term or even the short term, more signups into the opportunity so that you can earn downline commissions. Okay, so, and we're going to do this using Twitter. Like I said, Twitter's a versatile platform. Here's my Twitter profile. And as you see, I love helping online marketers achieve results in financial freedom. Okay, so like I said, Twitter is a very versatile platform, and another advantage I'll explain later after I show you how we're going to do this. So let's go to the products. Now, you might have a specific product that you like, but I'm just going to show. So we're going to focus on the hair product. So let's say we're going to focus on the detangling aspect or damaged hair aspect of some of the hair product. A lot of women, some men don't suffer from damaged hair, dry, damaged hair. So we can find, like I said, the advantage of Twitter is that we can find people that are experiencing that exact issue right now. So just type damaged hair into the search. Now, I'm not. This isn't going to show you how to set up your Twitter profile if you don't have Twitter yet. I'm going to that a little bit later. But you see, I typed in damaged hair, and these are the top tweets for damaged hair. You see, she cut her hair because it was damaged, and the other people's quoting product. But all these people said something in reference to damaged hair. These are people who are actively having that issue, and what we are doing as network marketers is solving people's problems. This is how we get sales. This is how we get leads. this is why a lot of network marketers struggle, is because they don't understand that what you essentially are is a problem solver. You have a product that solves a specific problem, or you have multiple products that solve a specific problem, and what you want to do is find those people. What we are taught in the beginning when we first get into network marketing is that, make a list of your family and friends, and then basically bombard them with your opportunity, bombard strangers with your opportunity. You'll have far, far, far more better results when you are specific about what you're looking for. You're looking for people who have a specific problem that you have a product that can solve, and you can use Twitter to do that. Like I said, like Lana S. She talked to her boyfriend about her damaged hair. Just damaged hair. Here's a lady that got her hair cut for the first time in 7 years because of her damaged hair. And I'm pretty sure she would probably, if it's been 7 years, she probably, look at her sad face, she would rather have not gotten her hair cut, but she didn't know any other solution. So if you could have found her before she cut her hair, how thankful would she have been that you could have offered her a product that could potentially have fixed her problem, and she could have saved her hair. And this is what so you get the basic idea. And you see there's a whole list of people. We can just go down the list. I mean, the list is just going on and on and on. So that you can use that using Twitter. And what you would do is connect with these people. You can, when you do a search like that, you can like their post and comment, saying that, sorry to hear that. Now, you don't want to pitch them right off the bat. You want to like their comment, leave something showing empathy and sympathy, and then follow them. And then what they'll do is potentially follow you back and or come to your profile to see what you're all about. And that's where the magic starts to happen, because when you follow what I'm showing you how to do, your Twitter profile will be set up in a way that they will see that you are a rep of a company that offers hair care products. So and then as you post over time, they'll be seeing your posts, and then they'll come to your profile. They'll start asking you questions. They'll start sending you messages. And what you want to do is provide value up front. You don't want to pitch any of these people what you are offering. That will turn them off. Chances are it's not unlikely that they'll buy from you if you say, let's say if you went to her before she cut her hair and you said, hey, I got this product, this hair care product that will fix your damaged hair. She probably wouldn't be interested because it's a hard pitch. But if you follow her, show some empathy, some sympathy, and then follow her, chances are she'll follow you back and or come to your profile to see what you're all about, or she will at least see your tweets if she follows you back that's talking about or sharing value when it comes to hair care. Okay, so that's just one short example. And you can go down the list. I mean, the ins and out of all these different products which solve certain problems. And you just do a search for whatever that specific problem solves on Twitter. And then you follow those people that follow you back. You comment on those people. And yeah, it's a long, drawn-out process, but I'm going to show you a shortcut at the end of this video. All right, so back to, this is just the top tweets you can go to. Latest posts, latest tweets about that specific subject. Like 2 minutes ago, I just damaged my hair. I colored it in violet. It's kind of only visible under the light. Don't bleach your hair, Platinum Kids. My hair is thin, damaged, and breaking off. It's ruined. So these are people you can help. So, and then you go to people, photos, go down the list. Now, let's talk about setting up your profile. So I find mine. And if you want more tips and videos like that, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, follow me on YouTube. My name is John Dorsey. Like I said, at John Dorsey 3 on Twitter, on Instagram, Pinterest. I'm all over the place. Facebook. So what you want to do is you want to have a header that basically talks about who you are. Uh, say I'm a hair care rep, hair care specialist, whatever you want to label yourself. And then you want to have a short little description of what you do over here, and then you want to have a link in your description that points to a lead capture page, and this will be a place you can collect leads. This will be a place where people can get more information about how to take care of their hair. Now, you might not know what a lead capture page is. You might not know exactly what I'm talking about, or you might not have access to one. But if you do, you want to put that here, and if you don't, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to get access to one. And then you want to put your blog here. If you don't have a blog, you should get one. You can get a free blog on WordPress.com. You can get a free blog on Blogger. But I do recommend what you should do is buy your domain, which is yourname.com, .net, whatever it is, and put a blog on there. Because if you want to be taken seriously, you want to come across as a serious business owner. And how you're going to do that is by having a island or a place where people can go to find you. Because people don't join businesses, they join people. Just like as you're providing value as far as the hair care stuff, these people will become attracted to you. They'll come to know, like, and trust you, and then they'll buy from you. They don't come to know, like, and trust a specific, let's say, a company, but they will come to know, like, and trust you. And this is what you're trying to put forward. You know, so you see on here, I don't have any business names. All the stuff on here is, well, that's not me, but that's Grant Cardone. But it's somebody I follow, and what I'm sharing is value. So I share nothing but value on my page, and then people see what I'm all about, and then they follow or whatever. But like I said, you want to lead with value. You want to set your profile in a way that will attract people. And if you don't know, you can do all this manually. But if you want to see how you can, find these, instead of searching out these people, if you want to have people who having these damaged hair problems, all these other problems with their hair and stuff like that, if you want them to start coming to you instead of you having to search for them, I got a free training below this video, and it will show you how to have those people come to you, and you'll start attracting people who are having these hair care problems, these hair problems, and these other problems with their beauty, these other problems with their beauty or their looks. They'll start coming to you instead of you having to search for them, and that's at the training below this video. And what that training is what you see right here. It's a simple 3-step Twitter formula where you can generate 31 plus fresh leads every day. And this will help you grow your Monat business. And so, yeah, I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, like it, share it with other people that you think that will also benefit from this video. And it really will help me out, and I really appreciate it. And like I said, click the link below this video. It's a free training that will walk you through how to set up your profile correctly, how to find the people that will be attracted to your offer, and then how to have, instead of you searching for those people, have those people come to you on a continuous basis. And that's at the link below this video. Click it, enter your email address, and you'll also get some follow-up emails from me, reiterating, taking you through what you're getting from the. You'll get additional training from me in the email. That's what I'm trying to say. And yeah, so follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, John Dorsey 3, as you see right here. And yeah, I'll talk to you again soon.